Manipur Chief Minister Nongthom Biren today expressed his desire to dredge and clean riverbeds and riverbanks before the monsoon season sets in. He was overseeing a cleanliness drive along the stretch of Nambu River organized by Mongsangai Kanba Apunba Loop. Let's save our river, let's save our environment was the theme of the cleanliness drive. As many as 43,846 more people tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, taking the cumulative tally to 1,15,99,130, said the Union Health Ministry today. According to a media report, this is the highest jump in fresh infections the country has seen since late November last year. Over the past week, India has seen the sharpest surge in COVID-19 cases in the last 10 months. Maharashtra continues to be the biggest contributor to the daily count as the state recorded 27,126 new COVID-19 cases, the highest one-day rise since the pandemic began last year in the last 24 hours. In the past 24 hours, 3 persons from general population and 3 personnel from Central Armed Police Force (CAPF) were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases in Manipur. The positive cases were detected at the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS IMPHAL, RAT, IMPHAL West RAT and Churachandpur RAT. Opponents of Myanmar's military rule, many in small towns across the country, staged candlelit protests last night and in the wee hours today in defiance of crackdowns by the security forces and the killing of 247 people since the February 1 coup. According to Reuters, the violent suppression has drawn the condemnation of Western governments and increasingly the unprecedented criticism of some of Myanmar's Asian neighbors. Under the supervision of IMPHAL East District Police, dredging and cleaning of IMPHAL riverbed and bank was carried out along the stretch of Lamlong, Telipati and Minuthong in IMPHAL East this morning. The cleanliness program was conducted in association with local clubs. India won the silver medal in a men's 10-meter air rifle team event on Sunday at the ISSF World Cup being held in New Delhi. According to media reports, the Indian team comprising of Aishwarya Pratap Singh Tomar, Deepak Kumar and Pankaj Kumar went down to USA, who came back from behind to win the closely contested final 16-14. Dishing out a dominating all-round show, India toppled England in the high-scoring 5th 2020 international to not only claim the series 3-2, but also prove that their preparations for the T20 World Cup are moving in the right direction.